Today we're going to learn how to make these fabric Christmas gift bags. The first step is picking out your fabric. You can use secondhand or new. Step 2, wash and iron if needed your fabric. Step 3, determine the size and shape of your gift bag. This one I will make will have a pull tie. Assess where the seams will be to form a pocket. Step 4, sew the seams. I am using a serger, but you could use a zigzag stitch and a regular sewing machine instead. Step 5, sew the raw outer edge of the opening. Again, you can use a zigzag stitch on a regular sewing machine to do this. Step 6, sew a buttonhole for the ribbon or string. Cut the buttonhole with the seam ripper. Step 7, sew the hem wide enough for the ribbon or whatever you decide you're going to feed through. Step 8, select and feed your ribbon. I like to use a safety pin. Feed it through the buttonhole. All the way around. At this point, you can decide if you are completed. Or you can use embellishments like these buttons I found. And you're finished. Have a very Merry Christmas and stay tuned for more ideas on more fabric bags.